So I read this book. It was amazing. But I struggle to give it a score out of 10. I am not one of these readers who make notes along the way. So I turn to the one thing that seems to be taking the world by storm. Vibe coding. For those who don't know what it is, it allows you to create amazing digital content without the hassle of knowing the first thing about coding. I use this all the time with my teaching. I will post another video breaking down all of my creations. So how can this help me with reviewing this book? Among the Burning Flowers is the third book in the Roots of Chaos series. It is much smaller than the previous two, but still an amazing read. So I go onto my closest vibe coding site. I like Canva, and the one thing you need to remember is it doesn't have to be perfect straight away. You can give it a basic idea first, and then build it from there. If I want to add more content, then it is super easy. I can also customize it after it has been created. I want to add this to my own little personal page. This helps me keep track of everything. Here we have the finished site. Now for the review. The plot was predictable, but nice and layered. Samantha Shannon's writing style is amazing, and a solid 8 out of 10 for this. Her world building is next level, and this world feels so lived in and real. 10 out of 10 characters always sound natural and well thought out. The ending sets up the Priory of the Orange Tree really well, and is a great start for anyone wanting to start this amazing series. Now I have a basic review and a better idea of what to write for my review. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned to my channel for more vibe coding and other content.